As per the afternoon, आज दोपहर
At 7:24 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time Thursday, Environment Canada has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north-central Alberta. Extra care and attention should be exercised in and around the following localities: Lett, Camrose, Wetaskiwin, Tokefield, Edmonton, St. Albert and Sherwood Park. Environment Canada meteorologists are tracking a very dangerous thunderstorm capable of producing destructive wind gusts. Take cover immediately threatening weather approaches. Intense lightning is likely and tornadoes are possible with any thunderstorm that develops.
Smoky Lake, Athabasca, Lac La Biche, as well as MD